England of 1924.
This country is at war.
To fight on the beaches.
The forces of Germany have surrendered. The flags of freedom fly over Europe.
The King passed away this morning.
I shall dedicate myself to your service.
Ration books and cards, the whole wartime system of food distribution has ended.
We must keep alive that courageous spirit of adventure.
Not because they are easy, but because they are hard.
It's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind.
Punk isn't just a new look after beatniks and hippies.
Everybody is interested now in home computers.
Germany had started tearing down the wall.
The internet spans the globe like a superhighway.
This is a difficult moment for America.
The 30th Olympiad to the city of London.